Whoa, what up, YouTube? This Steven's channel, and I'm Steven. Welcome back to another video. So, as promised, I wanted to make a video right quick. I wanted to unbox a little Moto G Stylus 5G phone. Had to run out there to that Best Buy and grab another phone right quick. My phone, I'm recording on this phone right now, but the charger don't stay in the port. And whenever I get a chance, I'm gonna try to get some footage of the old phone and show you the port. But right now I'm just recording on my old phone right now. I got that Moto G Stylus, and it's from 2020, and this the recent model. Hold up. Yeah, I'm back, man. My son wanted to tell me tonight right quick, but it's Cyber Monday. It's the end of the day. Hope y'all had a good holiday. Thanksgiving just passed on what that was, the 29th, 28th, 29th. One of those days, and hope y'all had a good spread. Hope y'all turkey came out alright. Yeah. So I'm about to take this box off. Excuse all the shaking and everything, and about to get this thing going. Let me just flip this over right quick, and get all the items out of there. All right, you got something in here. We got something in this little box. Y'all see something in there? Y'all see something in there? Nah, they don't have nothing in it. They got up in here. Nah, they got a little something in here. See that? Got the little wires. It's a little charging port. And that's it. It's unboxed. Let me see. Got a little something in here. Here we go. Got some schematics, and this is the phone. It's the Moto G Stylus 5G. And let's look at this little paperwork they got. Let me tell y'all a little bit about the phone. So, like I told y'all, the phone I'm recording on, the charger don't stay in the port. And when I did some examining of the port, it looked like it's starting to wear away. And whenever like I put my phone on the charger, it's like the charger just falls straight out. Yeah, the charger just falls straight out the phone. So that's not healthy. I need another phone so I can be able to hold a charge. So I have to purchase another device. But I didn't want to spend no money on a phone. And I was just sitting here like trying to figure out what I'm gonna do, because I didn't want to spend no money on a phone. I have my phone, it's working just fine. Kind of forced to get a new phone, so I just went to Best Buy and just went and grabbed a cheap phone to replace this phone with. The phone was like $239, and I think it was $399, $339 or something like that. And I went to swipe for the card, and on the little card machine, they had the offer popped up to apply for store credit. So I was looking at the lady that was checking me out. I was at Best Buy too. Shout out to Best Buy because the customer sales rep was very helpful. She just asked me what I wanted. I told her what I wanted, and she just helped me with what I needed. She didn't try to get me to sign up for no plans. I got a prepaid phone, so she didn't get me to try to sign up with no plans or nothing like that. She just pointed me to the phones I wanted to get. This is an unlocked phone, but I'm using AT&T prepaid. It's $65 a month, unlimited everything. I don't miss out. I get unlimited talk, text, internet. Well, it's not really unlimited because after a certain amount, they start slowing you down. But anyway, I was, before I started telling y'all this, I lost my train of thought. But I was on the card machine to basically swipe my card, and I looked and I saw the store credit offer. So I was like, how long is this gonna take? The lady said it's gonna take 30 seconds. So I gave him my ID, gave him my social and everything, and I was approved. I ended up getting approved for store credit. So I ended up putting the phone on store credit, and I didn't have to come out with no money out of pocket. Now I could have went and got something way better since I got store credit, but I know that's just some extra money I don't need to be spending right now. It's Christmas time, and I gotta double back and get some gifts and stuff for the children. So yeah, I just stuck with my plan, But they got this little QR code. I might scan that and see if I can get see what that take me to, see what kind of information I pull up. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm bad at doing these videos. I'm just trying to do a little bootleg review for y'all. I'm just opening up my phone. I got a little bootleg channel trying to do this YouTube thing, and I just figured, let me just record myself, unboxing my little phone. I'm gonna rip this little plastic off. I ain't gonna keep y'all here too long. Okay, this the camera. Got a 50 megapixel 2.0. This it right here. So, and I got a little case for it too. Hold up. Pause. Yeah, look, this is my little case. I got a little case for it right quick. I'm gonna throw my little case on it. And I probably should have got a little screen protector or something for it. Look, I'm starting to get little handprints on it already, man. It's nothing like taking a new phone out, But yeah, man. I mean, it's not really much to unbox, I was supposed to look at all the features so I could tell y'all all the features it come with, but I mean, here we go right here. I got that 50 megapixel. This the back camera. They say the front camera pretty good too, but I'm gonna let y'all be the judge. I'm using a rear facing camera on this phone, so I might do a side by side comparison or something like that, But this the cameras, You know, this the main camera. Let me see. See on here they saying this the main camera. This the ultra wide macro camera. What is that? That's the flash. Oh. What we got? The sim tree. What is it? What is sim tree? Look like the speakers. I think that's the sim tree. That's the sim tree right there. Got the, what is that? The power button. The volume button. And it got a little pin under here. Let me see, you press that. Yeah, you got a little pin. So, I don't know, man. I might look. I'm about to cut this thing on, bro. Man, this video about 11 minutes right now of, man, look. I'm just trying to get my life together, man. You know, that's all, bro. And I just wanted to take y'all with me, bro. But you know, subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos, and give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a comment or something. Again, like, I hope y'all enjoyed y'all Thanksgiving that passed. You know, trying to get back into the flow of things. You know, we at the end of the year. It's the last month of the year. You know, we in December 2nd. Cyber Monday night. It's 9:22 p.m. I'm about to be up out of here. I'm about to set this phone up, switch everything over, and I'm gonna talk to y'all in the next video. Peace. Peace. Actually, before I go, I should turn it on, huh? Let me turn it on right quick. Oh, hello, Moto. Look at that. I know I done said peace already, but let me turn the phone on for y'all. Bro, this was a bootleg phone review. For real. But I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video after I get this all set up. Probably gonna be on my new phone, so the quality should be better. But I digress. Let me get this phone set up, and I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next video.